All right, my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be here with you all again. I am your girl, Intisar Eleanor. I'm coming through with something easy and breezy, so they say. We're doing a wear and go unit today from the Reshine Hair. So I'm actually really excited about this one. Let me pull her out the pack. This one is supposed to be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Already I can tell she's going to be. This is a ready to wear or wear and go wig from Reshine Hair. She's 26 inches of love, sex, magic. Okay, this unit comes with that pre-plucked, okay, pre-cut lace wig. Look at that. Look at that parting space, okay? She is a water wave unit. She's $227 for 26 inches. That's not bad at all. That is not bad at all. So I'm just going to throw her on my head so we can see what we're working with. And then we'll go from here. Because I want you guys to like really get an idea. I don't expect this to be a long... Ooh, I got head hair, y'all. I don't expect this to be a long video. Let's take a look at the deets of this unit, okay? So she has the band here, all right? No combs, just a band. So this is all we working with. This is all we working with. Don't get into no tussles. Watch your mouth, okay? Because it's not going to be much you got to deal with. Somebody's going to get you together and snatch this wig off your head. So I'm just going to throw her on because I want you guys to see the ease of the... Look at the pre-cut though, so you guys get an idea. So it's like this scalloped cut, which is really how you should be cutting your lace. So I always tell you guys, I use these. So I always tell you guys that you should be really using like a scalloped edge scissor or like a razor because it just makes for a better cut and it makes it more seamless when you lay your unit. But take a look at that. That's that scallop look that you're going for, okay? I made this really tight. Oh, all right now. This feels so good. This feels so good on my head. Like even, sometimes I find that when I have an adjustable band, sometimes it feels a little, oh, I need to whiten my teeth today. I'll do that tonight. What do you, it's random. Did y'all see how the ADD be working? But what do y'all use to whiten your teeth? I'm a plain old charcoal kind of girl, okay? Get it together, done, all right? Look at this. And look how no tangles. None. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. Let me see something. I'm just going to do like a half and half and see if we could just darken her up just a bit. I'm going to just use, you know, I love my trusty dusty palette. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Look. With a little bit of, little something. Look at that. Maybe some mousse. Do you guys, can you tell the difference? Look. All right, I'm going to beat my face. I'm not doing much of anything. I'm giving Beyonce realness today. I'm going to beat my face, and I'll be back to finish this up. Y'all see? I'm being really humble. Y'all, I never break out. I never break out. And I'm being really humble this week. All right, my love. So we are back. I went on through and just wet her down a bit. Again, this unit is from Reshine Hair. This is an absolutely stunning, okay, throw on, wear and go unit. I wanted to give you guys, I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Okay, this is the end. Done. We're done. The video is over. She's absolutely stunning. I want this to come up a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so she's absolutely stunning. The unit is really, really beautiful. She did not shed much. She feels super secure on my head. I did adjust that band to the middle to make sure that she laid flat and everything like that. I think wet, she looks beautiful. Dry, she looks beautiful. Just real happy with how this is turning out. So what I did was just go on through, wet this unit. I did not use any conditioner or anything like that. Just pure Vata. Okay, just nothing but Vata. I'm going to use my shade Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Mousse. If I can find her. Here she is. Okay, only got a little bit left. But I want to use her really to get this unit all the way together. I want to darken up the parting space. We're going to use our LA Pro Girl Concealer, okay, to get Mother on together. Really just to darken it up, give it a more defined parting space because it feels like the hair is kind of blending in with the part. And that could be okay sometimes, but we want to make sure she looks. Okay, I'm going to use my Andy straightening comb to get this unit together. Like I said, I'm really happy with how this came out. She really is a stunning unit. I went through and changed the settings on my camera, and I'm looking at it just to the side. Stunning. Stank, nasty, stunning. So in true Zara fashion, I recorded this video twice because the first time I did it looked terrible. It looked terrible. There's something wrong with my camera settings. So I went on back and just redid my camera settings over, like literally reset them, okay, to make sure I got like a better view for you guys because I just didn't even think it was fair. You couldn't tell how stunningly beautiful the texture of this hair is. You couldn't tell how beautiful the color of this hair is. Like, you want to get the full piece de resistance. I got to give you the fangs, honey. So this unit, again, is really, really inexpensive. I'm going to leave some codes below so you guys can make sure you check out Reshine Hair. This wear and go technology is by far and away, my absolutely positively favorite wig. We are going into the summertime. Not none of us got time to be in hot as hell trying to get a wig together. Okay? Ear to ear, the thing lifting up on the side. I don't got to take no time for that. So the best way to kind of like get this through is really to do something like this where you could just throw her on and keep it moving. Like literally. This unit is absolutely positively perfect. Let me just go in and blot. I'm just adding a little bit of heat to flatten her down. When she's dry, I don't mind her being big, but when she's wet, I want her to look like she coming all the way up out the skizzle. If you're picking up what I'm putting down. Are you guys feeling her? I'm like really feeling this unit. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back. And guys, this unit is, to me, for all these inches, because you got to think, we're giving 26 inches of love, sex, and magic. She is big energy, okay? If you're picking up what I'm putting down, this unit is super inexpensive, and I love that. Like, only $227, like, you can't beat that with a bag. Like, stop playing. So let me turn around so you guys can see the bag. This set, because I know y'all going to ask me, is from Fashion Nova. Can you believe how cute it is? Super cute. It's like a little shirt and dress situation. Chef's kiss. So y'all gonna see me in this. Oh, I made me tell him something. I'm about to wear 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times, honey. And I know y'all like, that's it? Because over here we wear the clothes. So let me turn around. Look at her. Get into that length. Can you see my tracks, bud? Can you see them? Nasty. She stinks. She's nasty. She's ready to go. This unit is fully glueless, okay? Like fully glueless. And she is everything. Absolutely, positively everything. I think that you all, hold on, let me fix it now. I bunched it up. I want to give you guys the full 26 inches in one frame. The truth is, I really want you all to do me a favor. Check out Reshine Hair. Fantastic. The pre-cut lace, to me, Reshine Hair is amongst one of the better companies doing it. I mean, top 5, top 3. Doing these kind of units with this particular cap construction. She is really, really beautiful. I think for the price, she is impeccable. For the price, this is really competitive. Sorry guys, I got a piece of hair in my eye. But this is really, really competitive and you need to check them out. I love this unit. I love how the blonde kind of calms down when you wet her a bit. I love that. I love that. I love that. I love that. I really don't have much else to say about this unit except for grab her. Like, I love this technology. It is hot. It was 90 degrees yesterday. I'm not trying to be gluing down the sides, glue. I'm not trying to be doing it because I don't want to be humble. That's my truth. I don't want to be humble. So I really love that we are ushering in this new technology. We want to keep it easy. We want to keep it light. We want to keep it cool. And that's all the things that Reshine Hair has done. So do me a favor. Bust down, subscribe to this 𝐿𝐼𝐭𝐡 channel. Check out this unit from Reshine Hair. I'm your girl, 𝐿𝐼𝐿, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.